Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the grid in Phantom Investigation. This essential tool acts like your personal ghost radar, helping you locate elusive phantoms and paranormal anomalies. It highlights areas of ghostly activity, giving you a crucial starting point for your investigation. Think of it as your spookometer, guiding you to where the action is happening. It's a fundamental piece of equipment for any successful ghost hunter. To effectively use the grid, strategically place it in rooms or hallways where you suspect a ghost might be active. The grid projects a laser field, and when a phantom passes through it, the lasers will visibly distort. This visual cue is incredibly important as it confirms a ghost's presence and movement within that specific area. Pay close attention to these distortions. They are key indicators. Interpreting the grid's activity is vital for your investigation. Any distortion in the laser field means a ghost has interacted with it, confirming its presence. If you notice frequent or sustained distortions, it strongly suggests the ghost is actively haunting that immediate vicinity. Remember, certain ghost types are known to be more grid active, appearing on the grid more often than others, providing valuable clues. While the grid itself doesn't provide direct evidence, it's an invaluable locator. It helps you narrow down the ghost's primary haunting area, allowing you to focus your search. Once you've identified an active zone with the grid, deploy other tools like the EMF sensor or spirit box there. This strategic placement, guided by the grid, significantly increases your chances of gathering the necessary evidence to identify the phantom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.